No. Not for doggies. This is honestly a great little campsite. It's time to pack up. We're going to go explore Black Canyon of the Gunnison. Is that what it's called? And hopefully us being sick doesn't affect us as much as it did this morning. Oh gosh. Now we are on to Black Canyon of the Gunnisons.
Woohoo! Just one Gunnison.
The Gunnison.
Apparently it's named after a dude. I learned that yesterday when I was reading about it.
Really?
Some guy named Gunnison, who apparently never even went to the canyon, but
Wow.
it is nonetheless named after him.
Huh. We have 2 hours and 25 minutes of a drive, so we'll see you there.
Oh, really? Okay. Welcome to lunch. We are making, where did it go? A delectable Target. You know, I always made fun of people who grocery shopped at Target, but now that's us. Roasted chicken, garlic, and herb ravioli.
Yummy.
And green beans. So, very excited because I feel like we haven't really cooked a nice meal in a few days.
Yeah, we haven't had energy much to do it. But look at this view that we have. Dinner with a view, anybody? Or lunch, I guess? Yum yum.
Did a little olive oil Parmesan sauce. I tried one of the raviolis, it's really good.
Yeah?
It looks like we're only getting 5 each.
Oh boy.
So, but lots of green beans to go with it. So, oh, that worked. Just saying, for on the van, cooked in the van, that's pretty good looking meal. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
We just finished lunch and we are headed to Black Canyon of the Gunnison. So our GPS is having like a connection.
Yeah, it's having a seizure. It doesn't know what to
It
do.
thinks that it is going to take us
24,855 days and 3 hours, and it keeps changing the date of when we're gonna arrive.
It is so strange.
Like what? What is happening, Google Maps?
Google, are you okay?
Speak up.
So quiet here. There is like not a sound.
Yeah, it is like so incredibly quiet. I can hear my tinnitus.
Well, let's see the canyon.
Wowza. Crazy.
Ooh, oh, is that the river? Dang, I should wear my binoculars.
Ooh. Wow, that's so cool down there.
Can't really see the water from this side.
Whoa. It is so incredibly deep.
Yeah.
Like it's pretty different to the Grand Canyon because the Grand Canyon is just like big, where I feel like that cliff over there is actually not that far away, but it's incredibly deep. It's just so wild to me. So crazy.
Yeah. It really doesn't look like anything we've been to before.
Yeah.
The Grand Canyon, the rocks look totally different. They're like purple and orange, and this is more like black and brown.
You can sort of see our shadows on the rock way down there.
Okay. Oh, there it
You can kind of see it. But that's like so far down there. You can see the river way down there as well. Wild stuff. Black Canyon of the Gunnison. There's not a whole lot open in the winter. Like you can only drive to this visitor center that we were at. And then you can walk the rest of the park. The rest of the park is available to like walk and hike and stuff like that. And even said bike if you have bikes. But drivable, there's only about a mile that you can drive up. And it's to this visitor center where we're at now. So, yeah.
So, would you recommend Black Canyon of the Gunnison to people?
I think I would want to come here during when it's actually, you can access it, and or when I'm not sick and we could do some hiking.
Yeah, I'd love to hike the bottom.
I know, I just have like no energy because of the sickness that I have right now. So it seems like it could be a cool park, but we just can't do any of the things that are available right now. The hike down here is pretty sketchy right now, very icy.
We asked someone and they said don't bring micro spikes, which was...
They said that you probably would be good without them.
Yeah, but it would have been really nice to have them.
Yeah, it is quite slippery here. Dolly's going just fine though. It's pretty big. Okay, that's crazy.
Right? That's not clouds.
Look at that view. Whoa. That is so freaking big.
Looks like a giant...
It's like a giant haze in the middle of the clouds over there. And then mountains. Like what? So we just got to a BLM land spot that is just like allows free camping and everything. It's quite literally a mile outside of Black Gunnison National Park. And this is kind of the process that we go through sometimes when it's super muddy right now, I think because it's been so warm and there's been a lot of snow that's melted. And so we had this little entrance area right here. And before going down this way, we just wanted to make sure that it was gonna be a spot available and we weren't gonna get stuck in the mud or anything like that. Because a lot of these places, they're completely unmaintained roads. So down that one, there was no options for us. But this way, there might be. Oh, wow. Oh, goodness.
It doesn't look bad, but it
I know.
It doesn't look wet, but it is so gross.
Wow. Okay, that's muddy. Yeah, this second road that goes off right here has a massive rut. The biggest rut I've ever seen in my life. Look at this rut right now. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna say that this is probably not the place that we are wanting to go.
Yeah.
Like this area is dry. I think it's just because it's getting sun, but everywhere else is so muddy.
See you at the next camp spot.
Yeah, we'll see you when we find someplace else to go. Look at the sky over here. It's like a rainbow. Well, we decided to come back to the same campsite that we had last night and stay the night here again because this is just a super nice, peaceful area and you know, it's super easy to get to. It's centrally located to what we want to do. And so, yeah. So now we're gonna make dinner. Dolly's running around, going to the potty. Or no, she's just running around staring at me. But yeah, now we're gonna make dinner and chill out, get some more sleep, and hit tomorrow on the ground running. So yeah, looking forward to it.